Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astana New. This time we talk about BTS member, family members unite at J-Hope solo show in this Seoul. The BTS members are known not only for their strong bond with one another, but also for the closeness shared among their family. Recently, in a heartwarming moment, the parent of all seven members, Jin Kim Namjoon and the Mi Jungi, Jung Ho Seo, Jeon Jungkook, Park Jimin, and the Kim Taeyong come together to support J-Hope at a solo concert Hop on the Street in Seoul. A touching behind the scene clip has gone viral where the K-pop artist can be seen expressing his gratitude upon seeing all the parents. He shared that from the parent perspective, every member is their child and they have witnessed firsthand the year of the dedication and hard work each of them put into the reach what they are now. J-Hope said all the BTS parents came. They were very surprised. I feel so glad that they enjoyed it. From the parents' perspective, every member is their kid. Imagine how proud they must feel since they know how tough is this and is more than anyone else. They have watched everything from the sideline as a family. All the parents showed up, not a single one missing. I felt so grateful. Jeho was discharged from the military in October last year. After getting discharged, the rapper said, I completed my military services in the good health. I am truly grateful I was able to successfully finish thanks to my fans. What I felt over the past year and a half is that many soldiers work so hard and dedicate themselves to protecting and doing so much for the country. What will prove even more meaningful as if the public show the warm interest and love for them. BTS member RM, Jungkook, Suga, and Jimin are yet to complete their military service. A couple of months back, these five members took a break from their duty to attend hobby stage and the hobby hop on the stage show. And meanwhile, the remaining members will finish their military service this year and rejoin BTS army are eagerly waiting for the group will come back after they reunite in the June. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.